B3 to B2 handicap, all on the gate. Ocean Down, 7th race. Race time. There they go. Often pacing Chesapeake Bay. Cool driving out. Also toward the inside, Mackenzie Mick. As they hit that turn, Pearl Handle Pistol will get away racing in for the Rambling Man next. It was an Honor got away 6th, 7th Air Force One, 8th Chester Fitch. Single file alignment up the backside. That's Kim Vincent and Chesapeake Bay controlling the early tempo. Cool Content in the pocket. Mackenzie Mick going along racing in 3rd. That is Pearl Handle Pistol drafting in 4th. Rambling Man there 5th. Opening quarter 28 seconds flat at 3-1. It is Chesapeake Bay maintaining his lead from in the 2-hole. That is Cool. A length and a half away. Mackenzie Mick remains in 3rd. Not much of a change in the racing order. The top 6 at least anyway. Back in 4th, Pearl Handle Pistol. Meanwhile, Mackenzie Mick is going to come first up here at the half-mile pole. Chesapeake Bay with the lead, but now up on the wheel of the leader, that's Mackenzie Mick, the half, 57-4, tucked up in the pocket. That is a Cool. A length and a half away. Pearl Handle Pistol in for the Rambling Man, thinking about it, and now comes to the outside, 5th, 4 off the lead. Gap 2.5. It was an Honor. Air Force One's got a lot of ground to make up the trailer. Chester Fitch midway up the backside. Chesapeake Bay maintaining that lead from a 6-1 shot. Mackenzie Mick. Cool getting the perfect 2-hole trip. Rambling Man creeping a little closer now. Is second over, just 2 off the lead. 3/4, 126 flat. They've got an 1/8 of a mile to go. And Chesapeake Bay maintaining that lead as they straighten out for the drive. Cool's going to go into the passing lane and trying to make up ground. Chesapeake Bay, Cool inside. Then we've got coming to the wire. Chesapeake Bay held on to win it over Cool, and then it's a 3-horse photo between either Pearl Handle Pistol or Air Force One. It was Chesapeake Bay and Kim Vincent taking it all the way. 156. On the board, unofficial 3, 2, 7, and 5. Superfecta numbers 3, 2, 7, and 5.